Some increases bigger than others. Greg Mocker is live in the newsroom breaking down all the numbers. Greg.
Corey, even if it's 13 cents more a swipe, it sort of is the principle of the thing. And that was my question to them as I attended the meeting today. Here are the numbers you need to know.
Fix the trains. We know improvements need to be done. There are also bills to pay at the MTA and billions of dollars in debt. Every November, the board reviews the upcoming budget, and since 2009, that has included fare and toll hikes every other year. Check your MetroCard. There are two options. One keeps the base fare at $2.75 or changes it to $3. There are changes to the pay-per-ride swipe, and passes go up. To the railroads, 3.85% is the maximum percentage increase for weekly and monthly tickets. And this time, caps are proposed, with no increase on monthly tickets at or above $500. Over to the bridges and tunnels. They're considering a 4% or an 8% increase to crossings. That's about a 20-cent or 40-cent increase. Resident discounts for Staten Island and the Rockaways remain in place. I ask MTA officials, give me the sales pitch. Why pay more for service that isn't always better?
How are you going to walk that line, and what is the message going to be to the public?
Well, I can tell you from my vantage point, and I'd like Andy to address it, we've got to be truthful and honest with people about our numbers, about ridership, about conditions.
One of the reasons why service is what it is because we don't have enough funding. So as the chair mentioned in the presentation, or the CFO mentioned, if we don't have a fare rise, that only makes things worse.
That is the argument, the case that Andy Byford and the acting chairman are also making to the other stakeholders, the legislature. They'll be saying that in January in Albany, and to the feds as well. Here's my light reading for tonight in the snow. Remember, there will be fare hearings in December. I'm going to update our website, pix11.com, with some of these specifics.